Okay, today we're going to use Claude Code inside of VS Code with an MCP server going to Firecrawl to scrape web data of our competitors. So let's take a look. I have a empty folder here on the left, and I've got Claude Code on the right, and I've got a prompt which is ready to go, and we're going to see how far we get. So that prompt was use Firecrawl MCP to search for 3 competing B2B enterprise marketing agencies, scrape their homepages, extract their core value propositions, their newest AI driven services, target industries, build a clean, modern React dashboard, and display competitive market intelligence in a side by side comparison matrix designed for a CMO. All right, so we went with the plan. That looks good. We're going to say, let's kick that off. So what it's doing there, it is creating a claude.md, which is basically like a root level context file for this particular project. And I'm going to proceed with the MCP server that I set up, which reaches directly out to Firecrawl right here in Claude Code. All right, we're starting to see on the right that there are some websites that it has identified, and it is gathering data from those sites. As we can see, Claude is making its way through the task list, and we're starting to see more files populate inside of this originally empty folder. Okay, Claude says it is done building this. So we're going to take a look at what it came up with. All right, we see what Claude has created for us. It is the CMO intelligence brief, which is a side-by-side comparing the 3 companies that we scraped using Firecrawl. We have overview and value proposition. We have AI-driven services across the 3 companies. We have the target industries, strengths, and core services. Now, what's great about this is that I could simply rerun this. I already have the code. I could, run it weekly on a schedule. I could run it monthly, quarterly. And then if I wanted something different, if I wanted a new search, a new query to scrape something different for research or competitive research, marketing, whatever it may be, that Firecrawl is now defined as an MCP server. So I simply just say to Claude, use Firecrawl, and it will. So that is one of the great advantages of setting up MCP servers that connect to your Claude Code.